Hi friends! In today's video, I'll show you how to buy APK file hosting from Hostoy. Connect it to your existing domain, and bring it into full working form, step by step. Whether your domain is hosted on Namecheap, Symbolhost, or any other platform, this method will work seamlessly for you. Step 1. Buy hosting from Hostoy. Let's start by placing the hosting order. Go to client.hostoy.com. Once you're on the site, click on Store, then choose APK file hosting. You'll see multiple plans like File 1, File 2, and so on, each with different features. Select the plan that fits your needs. I'll go with the File 2 plan as an example. Click Order Now. Now, on the domain selection screen, choose Use my existing domain and update my name servers. Paste your domain name, including its extension, whether .com, .org, or any other. Click Use and proceed to checkout. Fill in your personal details, click Complete Order, and then make your payment. Once done, your hosting will be activated and you'll receive several emails from Hostoy. Step 2. Access cPanel. The first email will ask you to verify your email address. Make sure you do that. The second one, titled Welcome to Hostoy, contains your cPanel login details, your service info, and control panel link. To access your cPanel, you can either use the control panel URL from the email, or go back to client.hostoy.com, log in, and navigate to Services My Services. Then click Login to cPanel from there. Either method works. Step 3. Create a subdomain. Inside cPanel, go to Domains and click Create a new domain. Here, we'll create a subdomain to host our APK files separately from our main website. For example, if your main domain is tutsvelatutorials.xyz, you can create a subdomain like files.tutsvelatutorials.xyz. Click Submit to create it, and that's it. The subdomain is now ready. Step 4. Link to Cloudflare. Next, we need to point this subdomain to Cloudflare. Log into your Cloudflare account, select your domain, and go to the DNS tab. Click Add Record. Choose Type, A. Set name to your subdomain, for example, Files. And for the IPv4 address, go back to cPanel and copy your shared IP address from the right-hand sidebar. Paste that IP address in, and click Save. Done, your subdomain is now linked to Cloudflare. Step 5. Install SSL certificate. Now, let's enable SSL for the subdomain to make it secure. Back in cPanel, go to SSL/TLS. Click on Use the system default key, and save. Then go back and open SSL/TLS status. Check the box next to your subdomain and click Run Auto SSL. This will install the SSL certificate automatically. Wait for the process to complete. Step 6. Secure the file directory. Now we'll secure the subdomain directory so users can't browse your files directly. Go to File Manager, open public_HTML, and find the folder for your subdomain. Delete all the files inside it. Then click plus file and create a new file named index.php. Leave it empty, this will prevent directory listing. Now, if you visit your subdomain in the browser, you'll see a blank page, not your file list. That means your security is working. Step 7. Upload APK files. Let's upload your APK file. Inside the same folder in File Manager, click Upload, and drag your APK file into the window. Make sure your file name uses hyphens instead of spaces, like capcaprolatestmod.apk. Once uploaded, right-click the file and choose Copy Link Address. To get your file's full URL, simply add https://files.yourdomain.com/yourfilename.apk. This is your direct download link. Step 8. Add link to your website. Now let's attach this download link to your main website. Go to your WordPress dashboard, open the post or page where you want to add the download button. Paste the file URL into the button link, and save or update the post. Now, when a user clicks the button, your APK will download directly from your subdomain. Step 9. Add more domains, optional. Hostoy allows multiple domains. To add another domain, go to Domains in cPanel. Add your new domain, like tutsvela.com, and then create a subdomain like files.tutsvela.com. Repeat the same process. DNS a record in Cloudflare SSL file security upload files. And that's it. Your APK hosting is live and connected to your domain securely. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment or contact support. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.